We're walking up to the BTS pop-up store and I'm so excited. I want to get one thing, but I keep changing my mind. So we shall see. I'm wearing my BTS merch today from the Tampa concert. I'm also wearing a necklace that I customized and it says BTS on it. If the necklace would like to cooperate, it would not. Xavier started freaking out because he saw Jimin through the window. So real. Oh my goodness. Let's go. There's a bit of a queue going on.
It's not that long.
Yeah.
You have to go to school. I think this is people for afternoon.
Ah, okay.
And then the night people move out.
Let's go. Are you excited?
Oh my god. Jimin.
I thought you were Jungkook.
Oh yeah, that guy too.
I'll have to check. Merch. BTS necklace.
She said, gosh, Kiri's 45 quid. Yeah, honestly.
How much is cute?
We're in the queue waiting now. I thought you could get like a little bit of extra time, but no. I think they let everybody leave previous slots and then they let us in. Okay, I'm holding myself accountable. I just want the multi-strap.
She's saying you guys. How are you doing?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Daddy.
I'm acting as if BTS is inside, by the way. Look at Saber prepping the QR codes while I freak out. Look at Thanks, babe. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so shook it right now, guys. Whoa! Okay. Okay, let's lock in. I already have the light stick. You can get 2 per person. And how much is the light stick? Can you see it? They have loads. Cradle is 22 pounds. Do you think I need the cradle? It's for your light stick.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Yeah. Yes, please.
What color would you like it?
Oh my god, that's the best thing ever. Oh my gosh, sold. Oh my god, that's so cool. Sold. I'm gonna get one of these. This is so cute. You want one? It's so shook right now. I'm so happy. £63. Amazing. Babe, do I need a table? Wow, everybody's busy. They're locked in. Wow. This is so these are the keychains. Guess how much? Guess how much? 45. It's really cool though. But it's really light, guys. This is also just like, this is plastic. That's kind of disappointing. Plenty of stock. Dude, this is actually really small and like, it can fit in my backpack. Oh, it doesn't turn on. This is really cute. If only it worked, I would have been sold. 90 though.
It's your look.
See, this is the mirror I was talking about.
Sick.
Will it? I don't think it'll fit in the backpack that we have.
Sorry, Bubble.
50 pounds. Ah! So you put, it's like that one over there. You put the album and then the vinyl. And then you get,
Printed signature.
oh. Okay. And then the blanket. Feels really good. Thick. This is sick actually. Ooh. Oh, I kind of like this one. It's 22. Wow. Oh my gosh. They're right next to each other. Jungkook. I kind of want them. This is the hoodie. It's 150 pounds. The material is actually nice, but it's just. Oh no, the black is 150, 140 for the red. I see. Oh, cool. Ah, my multi-strap. I came in here for the multi-strap. Let's go. I can feel the high wave coming. Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's really nice. Oh no. Babe, this is really nice. Oh, that's not bad. It's cute, right?
Mm.
What's on the back? That's cute.
You want to get it?
It's cute. You still have a lot of size. Oh, they're all out of smalls. They have medium and large. And how much is that one though? I think it's like 60. I really wanted the wind jacket because it's so soft. But she's kind of pricey. So much stock though. And it's 130 at the moment. Ooh! Okay. Okay, I don't really understand this one that much. Love them though. Don't love that. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Is it bad that I kind of want them just because of that little logo? The case is super cute. But unless they start tasting kind of cray. So much stock though. This was the lamp I was talking about. Can this turn on? 77 pounds. Lots of stock. Everything has lots of stock. Little candles.
Thank you.
Oh, this is so pretty.
It's nicer, but that's the.
Oh, it's a lot bigger in person. I thought this was smaller. Oh, okay. That's cute. This is my hand in comparison. And that's the message keychain. How pretty. Oh no, this is pretty. Oh, I kind of want this one. Oh no. Where's Savior? He's not gonna approve. It's 40 pounds. Wait, it's so pretty though. But I'm not financially stable to buy 40 pounds for a link. But it's so pretty though. What did it say there? Kind of want the bulk. That's sick. That style is sick. There's not that much left in stock. Record crate, plenty of stock as well. God, the London one is sold out, I think. What? What? Oh god. Oh, there's a magnet. Oh, you know what? This is cute. Oh. It was really cute up until I saw the price. This is so cool. Oh my god, grabe. Ate Rose would be freaking out right now. Wow! They said to always capture yourself in the moment.
So,
Wow. This is I kind of wanted this, but I never carry coins. But look at it. It's so cute. Oh, it's a card holder. Oh, I suppose it could work. Stopper. 42 pounds. Hair clip. That's a big hair clip. And then the hairpin. Guys, they're out of the multi-strap, which is the only thing I came here for, really. So does that mean I should buy other things? Probably. Probably with that. And the legend! Oh my gosh, this is so cool! Stop. Oh my gosh. Sugar looks so good there. Stop. Come on.
oh, stop the CD store.
Yeah.
You want to get one? You can play in my car.
Cutie. Because we don't have a...
Whoa.
They didn't have the multi-strap.
I'm so sorry, Baba.
It's so sad. I can't even buy a bag because it would be ridiculous to buy a bag with just for this.
Would it be?
Yes. Yeah.
Would it be? We can put stuff in the bag. We can put the Yum Burger in the bag.
Yeah, I'll get them.
Yeah, get the bag, Baba.
We must be financially responsible. I love this.
Hey, it's better than nothing. Remember that, kids.
Just one thing there.
They don't know though. Yes. Yeah. Look at wait, yeah.
So we all know that I only bought one thing from the pop-up, and I'm okay with that because I didn't really like anything else. That's a lie. Anything else that I liked, they did not have a size, so it was not meant to be. So let's unbox the keychain that I bought. I bought the bag, so let's pretend I bought a lot of stuff. And that's the bag was £3. It's really cute though, so we're happy. We're happy about it. I'm sorry, but isn't that just the cutest thing you've ever seen, babe? Look at it.
So cool.
Best part. So, if you can't afford the actual lights, like some people literally just change the color during the concert, and you can just go like this. I'm gonna lend this to Jessie.
I think you can have to change the color. Like it blinks, no?
See? Isn't that crazy? Guys, it's blinking.
There you go, flashing it, so yeah.
I love it. I think it was 30 something pounds, 34 pounds.
32.
Was it worth it? Ask me again next time. But I love it though. I do love it. I would buy it again.
It's cute.
So yeah, what comes with the box? Unfortunately, there is no mini photo cards, but there is an instructions card, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!